Hi, this is Craig from Sulcata Grove. I'm here with Valerie, and today we are going to be taste testing the Dupuis Saigon mango. I've got two of them here. One of them I'm thinking might be a little on the overripe side and one a little on the under, so we'll try them both and see. I'm going to start with the one I think might be a little underripe.
Sounds very firm.
Let's see. Yeah.
Smell good?
Not much smell. Just a little bit of kind of faint mango-y smell.
Yeah.
It's got a little bit of a fatter seed than
Normal.
some others. Alright, pretty color though.
Yeah.
Nice and clean looking.
Still pretty yellow, but it has like a little bit of orange tint.
I don't know anything about Dupuis Saigon. Dupuis is a French name, and Saigon is, I
It's
believe,
super
in
sweet,
Vietnam.
It tastes like a really sweet one. I have a bit of a taste of fig.
Fig, to me it tastes the sweetness has a very kind of artificially saccharine type of sweetness to it. And the other part to me tastes a little bit like pumpkin.
That could possibly
Like
be what I'm thinking of
if
fig.
you made a pumpkin pie and you overly sweetened it with saccharin, not in a bad, again, it's a fruit, so it doesn't taste too artificial, but it's still good it's, you don't think it's good?
No.
Is it the saccharine type of artificially flavor to it that you think?
Yeah, it started out sweet, but then it went downhill from there.
Once somebody makes a face, nobody else will try it.
Yeah, I like it.
It's not bad. Did you try a piece?
I did not try.
Well,
I'll try some. Because Courtney made such an extreme face.
So it does have that interesting taste.
To me, it's got a little bit like a pumpkin-y, sweet potato-y kind of flavor.
It does. I kind of like it.
Yeah,
I know,
it's
that's
not
what I
bad.
was
It's
That's why I was
very
worried why
different.
Courtney didn't like it.
It's very different than the last mango we had. It's sweet. It's pumpkin-y. It reminds me a little bit of like canistel. If you could put canistel in the texture of a mango. Yeah.
I think it's good. It's different. It's definitely, it doesn't taste real mango-y.
No. To me, it's canistel with the texture of a mango.
And open your mouth and breathe a little bit.
Oh, it's pumpkin all the way.
And you can feel when you pull and again, canistel's got a canistel. If you've never had a canistel tastes like pumpkin pie filling. It's delicious. It also has a lot of latex in it, and it sticks to your lips and your teeth and everything. And this isn't sticky, but it's giving me that same kind of, almost like, when you brush your teeth, you have that mintiness that you can feel blowing across your mouth. And this has something, this has some type of a very strong aromatic to it that's very...
It's like pumpkin with cantaloupe.
It lingers in your mouth a long time, and it's very
got
good.
Some floral pumpkin cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe-y kind of, yeah. Anyway, it's very different. It's a very different mango.
It's different, but it's not really. It's not bad. Like I've had a ton worse mangoes.
But it doesn't taste like a mango. If somebody put a piece of this in your mouth, you probably wouldn't even know it was a mango.
Yeah, if it was like in a fruit salad, I would be like, what fruit was that?
If you stuck this in a fruit salad, I might think it was a piece of cantaloupe.
Yeah.
An unusual piece of cantaloupe, maybe, but I would call it
cantaloupe. Yeah.
I wouldn't have thought
mango.
It's kind of like cantaloupe, but with the hint of mango taste and a lot creamier.
But with that floral, it's got
cantaloupe is kind of firm.
It has that orange blossom flavor.
Yeah, that's a...
Orange blossom, melon, canistel, pumpkin. That's what it tastes like to me. Yeah.
I am. That's good. All right, I'm gonna try this other one to see if it's any different. This one was a little, I think, a little underripe. This one's got a few black spots on here, so it might be a little bit getting close to overripe. It does have a fat seed in it for such a small mango.
Yeah. Super mango.
Now this one smells much more mango, and it looks like it might be getting a little bit of jelly seed.
It's not very firm at all. Like it's hard to grab.
Like I said, it's definitely riper. What's that?
And it has a bit more of a melon taste.
Tastes like a completely different. Tastes like a mango. It does have a little bit of jelly seed, and it has a little bit of that jelly seed flavor. I don't really dislike the jelly seed flavor all the time. It just changes. It depends on which one it's in. In some of them, it makes them better. Most of them, it makes it worse. But
Did you prefer the less ripe or the more?
I'm not sure. They're so different. Some mangoes are just very finicky about the timing of them. Let me see if I can. I don't know how to describe that one. It's good. The sweetness tastes the same. It still tastes to me kind of that little bit of that kind of a saccharine sweetness to it.
Oh, it's got way more citrusy flavor.
Citrus?
Mm-hmm. But the funky citrus that some mangoes get in the middle towards the seed.
I'm not getting anything I would call citrus.
It was just right that part where you cut the seed.
But it's definitely different. It's again, both of these have this kind of. I have a massive sugar tooth. To me, the more you can't have too much sweetness to any fruit. So I'm not about to say that it's too sweet, but it does have an artificially kind of lingery
A musky
sweetness. Musky.
Mm-hmm. It's probably just slightly overripe.
Well, the more I eat this now, the more it feels to me like this was a good cantaloupe and this was not good cantaloupe.
Yeah.
I like the less ripe better.
Yeah, I think I did too, though. They're very different. Let me try a piece of this old young. Brooke, you want to try the mango?
No, thank you. It's good. You might like it. I don't like cantaloupes. Oh, okay. She doesn't like cantaloupe.
Then you probably wouldn't like this.
Yeah.
The overripe one is definitely sweeter.
But they both have like a different taste a little bit.
It's a little more sweet potato-y.
Yeah,
but-
like the sweet potato's more like out with that one.
Yeah, but this is like sweet potato, but it tastes more, has more mango in it. This one has like almost no mango at all.
Yeah.
But they're both good. I don't know. I can say which one I like it better. I can't say they're just
I like
they're.
the first one better.
Same.
I think I might like the second one better in this that it's sweeter.
It's very different than all other mangoes.
Yeah, I haven't found anything other mangoes that really are similar to this that I can remember. It's hard to put your finger on one of the, and that to me that's one of the things that makes a good mango is if you can't say, oh, it tastes exactly like coconut, tastes exactly like pineapple. Well, yeah, that's good, but we also already have coconut and pineapple. When you get one of the good things about mangoes, you run into these ones that just have these really complex flavors that it just doesn't taste like something you've had before, and that's kind of what makes them special. So this is good. This is a good mango. I would.
It's hard to rate it against other mangoes
Yeah.
because it's so unmango-like.
My rating kind of goes on 1 out of 10. How likely would I be to put in a tree? And I probably would not be that likely to put this. To me, is more like a 7, 6 to a 7. But it is good. I'd like to have a fruit or two every year, but I don't think I
I
want
would
a tree.
definitely buy fruit, yeah.
Anyway, so yeah, try this one if you get it, just because it is very unique, and worth the try, worth the cost of a mango. But try the mango before you plant the tree. So, anything else? Nothing? No comments? All right. Well, thanks. Oh, please don't forget to subscribe. And what was the other thing? Like and subscribe is what I'm supposed to say. So do those things, and we'll see you next time.
Pick the mango from the tree, and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack.